Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. We begin with news that gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 19 gasoline will sell for 98 cents less. Automotive diesel is down 66 cents and ultra low sulfur diesel is costing 59 cents less. The price of kerosene will decline by $1.28. Propane is costing 1 cent less, while butane is up by $3.06. RJR 94 FM is now Radio Jamaica. The company says the rebranding initiative is part of its strategic focus to improve radio services, which will now be driven by technology. TVJ's Andrew Laidley was at the launch and now reports.
A new way to listen radio. That's how General Manager for Radio Services at the RJR Gleaner Communications Group, Claire Grant, describes the rebranding. Instead of RJR 94 FM, listeners will have to get used to airing Radio Jamaica 94 FM with a new slogan, Active for the Good of the Nation. Mrs. Grant explained that the change is a part of a wider push to redefine the radio industry in Jamaica.
We've looked at a couple of things, looked at a lot of things to do with the brand and looked at a lot of things to do with the industry of radio in Jamaica. As the very first commercial radio station, we think it is time for a number of things to change, and that includes ourselves.
The rebranding came with a wave of digital offerings, allowing customers to scan quick response QR codes using their mobile devices to access multimedia content like this one.
I am pleased to introduce you to the new Radio Jamaica.
As for some of the personalities on Radio Jamaica, the name change is a prime opportunity to engage more listeners in new and innovative ways.
This particular brand, this particular radio station has always served as the nexus, the nucleus. It was the first one. So I think it will help to pull the different brands even closer together and marshal the forces that each brand is, or the forces that the other brands represent, and help to just push it towards the right cause, which is the development of the country.
And Francois, how do you plan to use Radio Jamaica rebranding to refocus yourself as a media personality and a radio host?
Well, I've been around for a while. Yes, I'll accept that. But when you have freshness, newness coming, the other aspects of social media to be brought in and for us to use even more, that gives you a kind of impetus to let's get up and go again. Let's do something. Let's break another barrier. Let's do more for our people.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.91. The Canadian dollar is sold for $104.77. The pound is going for $182.27, while the euro closed the day at $154.90. The JC index gained 3,479 points today, while the junior market index lost 12 points. Among the winners were Grace Kennedy, Siboney Group, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Proven Investments US dollar shares, and the Mail Packer Group. On the losing side were Productive Business Solutions 9.75%, Dolphin Cove, Victoria Mutual Investments, Cayley Group, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Good evening.